Happy Friday, you all. Today is a cold food thing. It's a cold food kind of day, and for the very first time I am going to cook cold food, y'all. Look how pretty the meat is. Yeah, my babe went downtown to the meat market and got me, meat, and cold food was one of it. Okay, let me try to lower my phone a little bit so y'all can see the seasoning part. Don't judge me if I'm missing something, just let me know. So okay, so guys, I cannot get to lower my phone because my tripod is broken, so I would have to hold my phone like this. So these are the seasoning that I will be using. Let me show you. So there you have it. That's the seasoning that I will be using. So this is all purpose, all right? This is scallion, garlic scallion, allspice seasoning that babe bought for us. All right, go ahead, put that in. Here I have black pepper. Right, this is the first time I'm going to use this. It's complete seasoning. I'm just going to use a little bit because I don't know how salty it is or the taste. You know, babe always buy all these seasoning that he likes. Add a little bit of that. And I don't have the other time, I have loose time, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit from it like this, and then I'm gonna put it in. All right. Last but not least, allspice, pimento seed. I'm gonna add a little bit just to help the meat to tenderize faster. All right. So let me go and add a few. That should be enough. Oh, I think I have ginger, ground ginger, so I'm gonna add a little bit of ground ginger to it. All right. Okay, so now I am going to go in with the wet seasoning, which is soy sauce first, just a little bit. Yeah, I know, babe, he gonna kill me with this one because he always clown me. That is American thing, but whatever. I'm just gonna use a few, just a little bit of that, and then the original browning. So never fear, babe, I'm gonna use the browning. Okay, I'm gonna use the browning. It's always hard to open. So just a little bit, yo, because you don't want your meat to be too dark. There you go, there you go. All right, and of course, oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, yes. Oyster sauce. And so there you have it. Now I'm gonna go in and rub it all together. And guys, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, okay? If you want to use gloves on this, that's fine. But for me, it's not a problem to get my hands dirty, okay? So, it's kind of hard because of the bones, see? So guys, there you have it. Now I am going to put in a Ziploc bag, put in the refrigerator, and run to Home Depot and come back. if I don't get to cook tonight, then it's gonna be fully marinated and ready for tomorrow. All right. So of course we're not leaving the juice, so we're gonna put the juice in. All that seasoning, we're not wasting it. Here you have it, my seasoning cow foot ready to be marinated. All right, go. So guys, I came back home from Home Depot with my cleaning supplies. I have to keep my house smelling good, and I also have a cleaning business, so it's always good to stock up on cleaning products. So guys, it's definitely night, so see you all tomorrow at the stove. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe and turn on that notification button. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Mwah. Happy Saturday. It's day 2, and like I said, today I will complete my cooking, so it's stove time.
Hi.
So I am going to use my pressure cooker for a faster cook time. And since I just came in off the road, I'm still in my clothes, so let me grab my apron. Right. So here it is. So I am going to add a little bit more browning to the pot, and then I'm going to bring it to a boil and allow it to cook for like maybe 40 minutes.
My mom's literally cooking bones right now.
Then I'm going to go ahead and cover. And then we wait. So between 45 to 50 minutes, I will come back and, keep checking.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
So this is where I am going to add some more seasoning, and then my butter beans. So here I have the rest of the seasoning and the big man himself, butter bean.
I want to some.
Butter bean.
I'm a baked bean.
So we are at the last lap. So I'm gonna give this for like 5 minutes, and then it should be ready, y'all. So let me give you another last look. So 5 more minutes and it should be ready. This is the final look. I did it.